Hello dear viewers, let me see a phone in my hand. This phone model is Oppo A78 phone. Now today I'll show you how to set up SIM card and memory card in this phone. If you want to set up SIM card or ejector SIM card, you at first need to a SIM ejector and you just put this SIM tray, press, and you can see your phone SIM tray is now open. Then you unplug this at first. Mini SIM tray. This is the used mini SIM tray. One is SD card and under the below SIM card 1 and 2. Now today I'll show you how to set up this SIM card and SD card in this phone. You just put this SD card at first, set up SD card one side and the SIM slot under the use SIM 1 and use SIM 2, and you just put the SD card upper level and you put this SIM tray on this phone and wait few seconds. Your phone SIM card is ready to use properly and SD card and SIM card is properly working in Oppo A78 phone.